Hello and welcome to this video about money mistakes to avoid in business. Starting a business can be a thrilling experience, but it also comes with a lot of responsibilities, especially when it comes to managing finances. In this video, we will discuss some common money mistakes that entrepreneurs make and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, not having a solid business plan. The first mistake that many entrepreneurs make is not having a solid business plan. A business plan is a blueprint for your business, and it is essential for success. Without a plan, you may find yourself making decisions on the fly, which can lead to overspending or not investing enough in key areas. Your business plan should include your goals, target audience, marketing strategy, budget, and financial projections. Mistake number 2, not separating personal and business finances. Another common mistake that entrepreneurs make is not separating their personal and business finances. It's crucial to keep these two separate to avoid confusion and to make tax season more manageable. You should set up a business bank account and credit card and use them exclusively for business expenses. This way, you can track your expenses and income accurately, making it easier to file your taxes. Mistake number 3, not keeping track of expenses. The next mistake is not keeping track of expenses. It's essential to have a record of all your business expenses, including receipts and invoices. This will help you track your spending and identify any areas where you can cut costs. You can use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero to track your expenses and generate reports. Mistake number 4, overestimating revenue. Many entrepreneurs are overly optimistic when it comes to revenue projections. It's important to be realistic about your revenue projections and not overestimate how much money you will make. This will help you avoid overspending or taking on too much debt. You should also plan for unexpected expenses and have a buffer in case things don't go as planned. Mistake number 5, not saving for taxes. Another mistake that entrepreneurs make is not saving for taxes. As a business owner, you are responsible for paying taxes on your profits. It's essential to set aside a portion of your revenue to cover taxes so that you don't get caught off guard when tax season comes around. You should also work with an accountant to make sure you are paying the right amount of taxes and taking advantage of any deductions or credits. Mistake number 6, not having a contingency plan. Finally, many entrepreneurs fail to have a contingency plan in place. Unexpected events like a recession, natural disaster, or pandemic can disrupt your business, and it's important to have a plan in place to keep your business afloat during these times. This could include having a rainy day fund, diversifying your revenue streams, or reducing expenses. Starting a business is an exciting venture, but it also comes with financial responsibilities. To avoid common money mistakes, make sure you have a solid business plan, separate personal and business finances, keep track of expenses, be realistic about revenue projections, save for taxes, and have a contingency plan. With careful planning and financial management, you can set yourself up for success in your business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.